Sitemap XML is generated automatically and for free, and here we can download it. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to generate sitemap XML for your website automatically and for free. I will show you online service where you can do this automatically and for free. Open Google and search for XML Sitemap. Open xmlsitemaps.com. Enter here your domain name and press start. Wait a few minutes for generate sitemap XML. That's all friends, sitemap is complete. Press view sitemap details. And here you can download your XML sitemap file or view XML sitemap, view HTML sitemap, and you can download a zip file where you can find two sitemap files in HTML and XML formats. Okay, press download. You can open sitemap XML file and refactoring. In this service, you can generate a sitemap for sites up to 500 pages for free. That's all friends. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and put subscribe button for more videos and more life hacks. Have a good time.